This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 22nd, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.57 points or 0.14% to 412.68. Total trade volume was up from yesterday, with 86,737 shares changing hands, however with a lower total value at 341 million real or $83,500. On the main board, 3 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestech Cambodia, up 1.67% or 40 real to 2,440 real per share, followed by MGQ Education, which was up 0.99% or 20 real to 2,050 real per share. The Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was also up 100 real to 12,000 real per share. On the downside, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port was the biggest loser of the day, down 0.85% or 120 real to 14,000 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which was down 0.28% or 10 real to 3,600 real per share. Meanwhile, just as it was yesterday, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, Cam GSM, and Akleda Bank remained flat. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering remained flat once again, while JS Land was down 1.15% or 40 real to 3,450 real per share. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 49,941 shares changing hands at a total value of 112 million real or $27,550, making up approximately 56% of the total trade volume on August 22nd. Akleda Bank recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, with 20,246 shares changing hands at a total value of 151 million real or $37,000, making up 23% of total trades on Thursday. In other market news, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ has announced the buyback of 47,541 shares through auction trading, accounting for 0.074% in paid-up capital. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained stable at 4,085 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 101.26. Oil prices edged lower for a fifth session on Thursday as investors worried about the global demand outlook. However, a decline in US fuel inventories were limited. Brent crude futures slipped 2 cents to 76.03 US dollars a barrel. Prices have plunged amid a report on Wednesday of revised employment statistics in the U.S., the world's biggest oil consumer, that showed fewer jobs were added in 2024 than previously reported, and weak economic data last week from China, the world's second largest economy and largest oil importer. Gold eased to around $2,500 per ounce, remaining close to record levels as markets continue to assess the U.S. Federal Reserve's dovish stance reflected in the recent Federal Open Market Committee minutes. U.S. stock index futures were marginally higher on Thursday as sentiment remained upbeat about the U.S. Federal Reserve possibly kicking off its policy easing cycle next month, with focus now shifting to U.S. policymakers' commentary at Jackson Hole this week. Futures for the Dow were up 50 points or 0.12%, for the S&P 500 were up 5 points or 0.09%, and for the Nasdaq 100 were up 13.25 points or 0.06%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 22nd.